Hi guys, now we have to continue about the online earning. Now the another way is to get paid to write reviews. Similar to sponsored post, you can also make money by writing paid review on your sites. This is a slightly different monetization method than the review sites with affiliates links as monetized above. Instead, you get to try out products related to your for free and even get paid for writing a review. The process for doing this can be similar to getting a sponsored post. You will want to review products that are relevant to your need, that your audience would be interested in. You can approach companies on your own to ask about doing paid reviews. There are also websites like Pay Per Post that can help connect you business you may be interested. Earn money online by flipping website. If you know how to build a WordPress website, then you are way ahead of most people. Sometimes entrepreneurs like to buy already established websites that they can use of their own business. If you can build a WordPress blog and start to get traffic to it, then you can sell it and make money for your efforts. This requires knowing the type of websites it demands and how to price and sell them. There are also websites like Flippa that serves as auction sites and brokers for selling websites. And another way is to get public speaking gigs as an influencer. If you are promoting your own brand along with your blog, then over time you will get a decent following, establishing you as an influence in your space. You can utilize this recognition to get some public speaking jobs. Many bloggers make a lot of money by speaking at conferences, speaking at events, whether you are paid or not helps. You promote your blogs and your personal brand. If you are good at networking and public speaking, then you would be able to find lots of new opportunity on the way. Here are some general tips you need to keep in mind if you want to make money as a paid public speaker. Be an expert in your field. If you don't have enough knowledge, skills at the moment, then start learning right away. Be conceited. You need to continuously promote your expertise on the topic through your blogging and social media activities. Let people know that you are available. You can arouse on social media or privately reach out to event organizers. You may not find paid public speaking gigs right away. Many successful speakers start their public speaking careers from smaller, more casual and free community events and meetups. Thank you.